guys, Mike here. Today we're gonna go over a very well-known stock, and right now I think it's pretty much dirt cheap. It is definitely a good time to buy and load up and wait for it to fly, because all you guys know this stock. This stock, of course, is none other than Churchill Capital for ticker symbol CCIV, soon to be merging with Lucid Motors. We are going to go some deep details about this company. We're going to go over some charts, some options at the end of the video. We're going to go over some catalysts that are coming up. We're going to go over some major important information about this stock, and I am extremely hyped about this stock right now because it is very much dirt cheap bottom. It has pretty much also had a nice run today, and it is probably going to continue from this one forward. So anyways, guys, let's not waste any time. Check out my Patreon page. We have a couple members already signing up pretty much every freaking day because we are getting excited, and a lot of members already appreciate what we're doing together, and I hope you guys join us and be part of that group. Anyways, let's waste no further time. I also want to give out a shout out to one of our sponsors. He dedicated this mic for us, and that guy is none other than Yoshi. If you guys want to check out his sushi restaurant, check it out. I'll leave a link in the description box below. Check out Yushi Sushi. Thanks again for the mic. I do appreciate it. If you guys want to sponsor, leave a comment below and let me know, and I'll be happy to have you guys as a sponsor. But anyways, make sure to check out that Patreon page. With that said, make sure you always smash that like button, hit subscribe, and with that said, let's begin. Yeah! Alright guys, let's start off with some insane news already with Lucid Motors, and they just announced that they already have sold out on all their 170K Air sedans reservations. All right, pretty much they already sold out on all these reservations for the year of 2021. So it is crazy, okay? This company is no joke. They definitely plan on becoming the next Tesla. Just look at who the CEO is, all right? If we go to their presentation, Peter Rawlinson, this guy pretty much developed the Tesla S model, okay? This guy made the Tesla S model, all right? He knows how to work the system, all right? First, he's going to easily bring the most expensive model to the market, which is the 170K model, right? If you go to the designs for Lucid, he's going to bring the most expensive model, which is the Lucid Air Dream Edition, all right? And he's doing exactly what Tesla did, right? They brought the Lucid, they brought the Model S, then they brought the Model X, and then they brought the Model C3, right? The Model 3, right? And then now they brought the Model Y, which is what Lucid is pretty much doing with their 4 cars, right? They're going to start with the Model S, the Lucid Air Dream, right? They're probably going to do the Grand Touring next. And after that, they are going to bring the Air Pure, okay? And finally, they're going to do the Air Touring. So pretty much it is a grand scheme of how this guy works. He knows how Tesla started it and built up. He has a lot of experience, all right? He worked with Jaguar. Look at all the other employees they have, right? The VP, Mazda, Audi, VP of F, all right? Finance, all right? Ford. All right, these people know what they're doing, all right? Churchill Capital wouldn't go after a company that isn't going to succeed. Pretty much all his companies he's been after are multi-billion-dollar companies. They're doing relatively well. Just look at the staff members on this, all right? Look at who they are. Tesla members, Apple members, Rivian, all right? Rivian hasn't even come to the stock market yet, but we're going to be looking forward to that one. That one should be a pretty crazy one. Michael Bell is pretty well known. We got a whole bunch of other Apple and Tesla CEO, even Ferrari and Jaguar members, all right? This is no joke. These people have been in the business for a long time. They know what they're doing. All right, they are trying to bring a luxury edition of Tesla. All right, they're not trying to copy Tesla. They're not. I mean, Tesla is already luxury. I don't understand why they're saying they're more luxurious than Tesla. But just looking at their cars is absolutely stunning. If you go inside, look at the moonroof. Look at the most comfortable chairs you can ever imagine. Do you really ever want to sit in the front passenger seat when you have seats like this? Absolutely not. You're going to be relaxing on these massage chairs. You're going to be checking out everything through the sunroof, because pretty much the whole roof of this car is glass, all right? You are just looking at the sky, All right, that's what makes this car amazing. You have so much space. It is going to be a technology race with this car with Tesla. They have several catalysts that I'm going to introduce to you guys today that are coming up within the next few months. You definitely want to stick around for all those catalysts. We're gonna go over that. Look at that. They're pretty much copying Tesla, right? They're starting with the Model S type, and then they bring the X, and of course they bring the next Lucid Air Pure, and it's gonna go along like that, right? They're gonna copy Tesla. Everything Tesla does, they are pretty much going to copy and do a much more luxurious design and addition, and it's gonna be definitely more costly, right? That way they're gonna raise a lot more revenue a lot faster because they're bringing more expensive models. And that's going to help build their business much faster. It's going to increase the process of building their company and their infrastructure. And we're going to go over that. I'm about to show you a bunch of catalysts you definitely want to stick tuned and see. All right, guys, so check out these catalysts. They just released March 17th, the Dolby Atmos for music for the Lucid Air. They got in Q2, they got a bunch of things coming up. Autonomous software news about their auto drive. Federal tax credit, of course, they just got that. CCIV will be changing its ticker on June 30th, so make sure you stick tuned. It will change to LCID, so you know what the ticker will be changing to. The production it will start. The Lucid Air reviews. They're gonna have their customer deliveries by August. That's their plan. They're planning to release their first cars by August. Hopefully that'll happen, or that will really cause the stock to drop. So be careful. Today was a grand smacking day, right? If you were in my Patreon group, you all know I alerted everyone to start buying today at around $22. And the alert was set out. I'm like, guys, buy it. It is just gonna go up from here. And we all loaded up today. So if you aren't part of my Patreon page, make sure to sign up. Do not waste time. Time is money. I am not kidding. You are wasting your own time, your own money, not being with us and trading with us. All right. Anyways, guys, today was a fantastic day. It went up already 6.5%. After hours, we got another 0.5%. So pretty much you got a 7% increase on the day. We pretty much got more. We got over 7% because we loaded up at around $22, and it's only pricing around $22.60. But we loaded around $22. So I'm telling you guys, we are doing some crazy plays together. Let's move on to the charts and get a little bit more deeper. All right, so let's go to CCIV. Moving on to here, and pretty much today is going to be, I think, the bottom from here. All right, I think we're just going to start moving up from here. A lot of catalysts are about to come out. The stock has been pushed down way too much. Pretty much last time it hit bottom here, it just bounced and went easy to $33, right? And it does that. Stocks tend to do that. They have bounces, right? They go bouncing and bouncing, and then they shoot up, right? This is what you can get, a short squeeze happening, all right? And RSI is relatively low. MACD and histogram are pretty much getting ready to cross over. Look at that. We got almost a MACD crossover coming up. We are trying to get in at the bottom, all right? It is going to be hard to do that, but I think we hit the bottom today, and we're trying to do that. If you guys are trying to swing trade it with me and you don't want to go long, make sure you get it anywhere below $25, all right? I think around $30 it would be a sell zone if you are just swinging it, but get it before $25. This stock will just be on a tear. It could just explode after $30. I'm not just saying this is a $5 increase. This could explode from here, all right? And make sure you are paying attention to Tesla, all right? This stock moves exactly the way Tesla does, all right? If Tesla is going up, expect Lucid to go up, all right? If Tesla goes down, expect pretty much all the EVs to go down, all right? Pretty much right now, Tesla controls the whole EV market, unfortunately. And it's pretty scary watching it being added to the S&P 500 because it also controls now the S&P 500. When Tesla goes up, a bunch of stocks go up. When Tesla goes down, a bunch of stocks start crashing down, all right? Tesla controls the market Elon Musk controls the market. Anything this guy tweets, he pretty much can cause a massive surge towards that, whatever his tweet is, all right? All right, guys, so moving on to CCIV options. Make sure you're always clicking buy a call, all right? A lot of times people make mistake. And what I'm going to be recommending is pretty much you want to go after open interest, all right? Open interest is the most important thing. And the best one that I was able to find right now is the $20 call. All right, that is the one with the highest open interest. Also, the 15 looks pretty good, but it's going to be a little bit more expensive, and it's going to be worth it overall long term. It is going to be worth it, and because you are getting a 2-year option, it is January 2023. Okay, that is a 2-year option play. It's going to be a little bit pricey. Yes, I understand. It's going to cost you around $1,300. Yes, and if you get the $12 one, it's gonna cost you even more for that one. That one's gonna be really crazy. All right. But both of these are very good options. All right. They're both very good place to choose from. Either getting the $20 or the 12.5, whatever you want. These two will be an excellent option to hold within the next year or two. You hold this for a year or two, it is going to be absolutely ridiculous. All right. This probably could easily go like over 1,000% if you hold this like a year, right? If this stock goes to $100, you are making massive amounts on just this call option play, right? It does cost $1,300, but it is the most worth option you can ever buy. Something that is 2 years out in the money. You always want to try to get in the money option with companies that have true value, that are going to bring real value, that are going to bring real opportunity and challenge to other companies, just like Tesla. This company is going to challenge Tesla. All right, it is one of those companies that will actually come into the business and give a big corporation a run for its money. All right, and I see that with Lucid.